How to install YouTube Music app for laptop in Windows. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install YouTube Music app on your laptop or PC running Windows 10 or 11. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open any web browser. So here, open any web browser, and now here, once you're inside the web browser, just click on the search bar, and there you can simply type music.youtube.com and simply search for it. And now here on the search result, you'll be prompted to the YouTube Music website. And now here, once you are inside the website, what you can do is you can just click on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. So there, if you click on it, from the drop down menu, you can just click on cast, save and share. And there on the next pop-up menu, you'll see two options. So here you can either install apps by creating a shortcut or installing the YouTube Music app. So here you can just click on this option, and now here, once you click on it from the pop-up menu, just click on install, and once you do it, the YouTube Music app will be installed. And that's it. That's how you can install YouTube Music app. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next